ProVision's law enforcement system isn't bound to the car. As the officer's vantage point changes, the officer-worn BC300 provides another view to accurately tell the story. Recording video with a 150-degree wide-angle lens at up to 1296p, the BC300 captures all the details at the quality you're used to seeing from ProVision.
I ran your name, just warrant out for your arrest. Got anything on you that's gonna poke me or stick you?
With an all-shift 12-hour battery, you can rely on the BC300 to work as hard as you do, all day, every day.
Is that ringing a bell at all? Yeah, okay.
A simple one-touch design allows for quick, discreet video and audio recordings. And receiving an IP68 all-climate rating, the BC300 is designed for any situation. Decide what your department needs, as the feature-packed BC300 is completely customizable, including manual or automatic infrared illuminators, providing a night vision view in low or no light situations. At the end of your shift, dock your BC300 to automatically transfer files and recharge. With ProVision's evidence management solution, SecureMax, your day's events will be uploaded and backed up immediately. With the BC300, in-car video, and evidence management all working together, ProVision has you covered.